Choosing tile for your home can be intimidating. The combination of color, size, style, and texture, it's impressive. Once you find the tile you like, how do you know it's going to fit your home decor? Well, if you don't know where to start, Super Home Surplus is here to help.
So this is a color palette that I'm using for some of the projects that I've got going on in my house right now. And I was just wondering if you had some suggestions that could go with this.
Well, I love the choice that you've gotten so far. This is really nice and neutral, but if you're looking for some ways to add visual interest, this room has got a lot of stuff that we can look at that you can add that's useful for backsplashes or shower floors or even niches in your shower. So yeah, let's get started.
Awesome.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy. They can help you with all the options. They're there to walk you through the range of materials, from mosaic, field tiles, stacked stone, and pavers. A large variety is available in just a short amount of time when you order.
So when we talk about using tile in your shower floor, of course you're going to want to use a smaller tile so it drains properly. And then you also have choices for bands or niches that you can use with these decorative tiles. And then you'll notice as we go this direction that we also have a lot of really great choices that you can consider using for your backsplash in your kitchen too.
Wow, you do have a lot of choices.
With finishes from polished, matte, and rough cut, you're sure to find something you like to make your home look clean and new. You can even have a free sample sent to your home to make sure it matches your personal style.
It's so important to see the tile that you're going to use in the space that you're going to install it in. So what we can do is have one sent, have a sample sent right to your home for free.
That would be great.
Super Home Surplus wants you to ask questions, so feel free to stop by the store or give them a call anytime.
Super Home Surplus has stores in Madison and Bowling Green. You can stop by and check it out. Just visit superhomesurplus.com for more information.